Welcome to BitMart Copy Trading, the easiest way to follow successful traders, replicate their trades, and learn new strategies. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, BitMart Copy Trading helps you grow your portfolio by copying top master traders. What is copy trading? Copy trading – simple, fast, profitable. Just pick a master trader. Every trade syncs to your account automatically. No learning curve, no hassle. Start earning with ease today. How to become a master trader? Want to become a master trader? Here is how. Complete Level 2 Identity Verification. Visit the BitMart Copy Trading homepage and click Apply to become a master trader. Fill in your portfolio details. Upload your avatar and trading history. After approval, you can manage your portfolio, attract followers, and start earning profits. Follower. How to get started? As a follower, you can start copy trading in seconds. Just select a master trader, click Copy, and start automatically following their trades. Copy trading investment methods. Copy trading offers 4 investment methods for you to choose from. The smart system helps you maximize returns with ease. Manage your portfolio. You can manage your copy trading settings anytime, adjusting leverage, choosing trading pairs, setting take profit, stop loss levels, and more. Visit the My Master Traders page to see and manage the traders you are copying. Ready to get started? Create your first master trader or follower portfolio today and start earning.